Welcome to Pharma Aspirants. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs which are important for different pharma competitive exams. The topic is solutions in liquid dosage form. First question: at which concentration phenol act as preservative? Options are 0.2 to 0.5, 0.5 to 0.8, 0.05 to 0.1, 2.5, and the correct option is A. Next, which of the following is a synthetic sweetener? Options are option A glucose, option B sucrose, option C sorbitol, option D aspartame, and the correct answer is aspartame. Next, in the formulation to facilitate the wetting of insoluble solids, which of the following agents used? Options Option A suspending, option B flavoring, option C wetting, and option D sweetening. The correct answer is wetting. The ability of a substance dissolves in a given solvent system is depends on nature and intensity of the force present in the solute, nature and intensity of force present in the solvent, interaction between solute and solvent, all of the above. The correct answer is A. Nature and intensity of force present in the solute. Next question. Which of the following co-solvent is accepted as a co-solvent in parenteral products but its use in oral liquid is limited? Options are option A glycerol formol, option B glycerol, option C dimethyl acetamide, and option D none. Correct answer is dimethyl acetamide. Next question. Thiomersal is belongs to which category preservative? Examples are acidic, neutral, mercurial, quaternary ammonium compounds. The correct answer is mercurial. Thiomersal belongs to mercurial category of preservative. Next, benzalkonium chloride is categorized as acidic preservative, neutral, mercurial, and quaternary ammonium compound. These also belongs to same category of question, and the correct answer is quaternary ammonium compound. Which of the following sugar has bitter taste among this? Option A glucose, option B sucrose, option C saccharin, option D aspartame, and the answer is saccharin. The statement store in a cool place as per Indian Pharmacopoeia means option A store at room temperature, option B store between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, option C store at any temperature between 5 to 25 degrees Celsius, and option D store at 0 degrees Celsius. And according to Indian Pharmacopoeia, the correct answer is store at any temperature between 5 to 25 degrees Celsius. Which of the following is not used as a emulsifying agent? A. Surfactant, hydrophilic colloids, C. Electrolytes, D. Finely divided solid. Well, electrolytes are not used as a emulsifying agent. Next questions. The filling method of a pharmaceutical liquid depends on the following factor: A. Viscosity of the liquid, B. Surface tension of the liquid, C. Compatibility with the material used in the construction of the filling machine, and D. All of the above. All these factors depends on the filling method of a pharmaceutical liquid. So option D, all of the above. Next, HLB system was developed by. HLB system was developed by Griffin. Which of the following substance having poor water solubility? Examples: A. Weak electrolytes, B. Non-polar molecules, C. Both, D. None. And the answer is B. Both. Weak electrolytes and non-polar molecules. How co-solvents increases the solubility of poorly soluble drugs? by reducing interfacial tension between aqueous solution and hydrophobic solute, by decreasing interfacial tension between solute and solvent, C both, and D none. The correct answer is A, by reducing interfacial tension between aqueous solution and hydrophobic solvent. Next question. Which of the following co-solvent are used to increase the solubility of a drug? Ethanol, sorbitol, glycerin, all of the above. Well, all these are used as a co-solvent in syrups. So, all of the above. Dravis test is associated with measuring the efficiency of options: detergents, wetting agent, suspending agent, adsorbent, and the correct answer is wetting agents. HLB system is used to classify surfactants, preservatives, antioxidants, sequestering agents. The answer is surfactants. Which of the following flavor is not responsible for sour taste? Option A, citrus flavors. Option B, licorice. Option C, raspberry. Option D, mint spice. Responsible for sour taste, the correct answer is mint spice. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.